issued a tornado warning for southeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, west-central Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 7:30 p.m. At 7:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles northwest of Blanchardville, or 9 miles southeast of Dodgeville, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Mount Horeb, Mazo Mani, Black Earth, Barneveld, Blue Mounds, Ridgeway, Waldwick, Hilandale, Pine Bluff, Blue Mountain St. Park, and Jonesdale. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.